If you're starting A-level biology this year, then you definitely need to hear this. I'm going to give you a quick guide that will save you hours of wasted effort in the near future. I thought about making this video while I was looking at students' exam transcripts yesterday. Many students have put a lot of effort. They actually understand the subject very well, yet they simply cannot express their thoughts or demonstrate their understanding. With recent exams, what really matters is not what you have in your mind, is what's written on papers. Then that's a bit unfair because education should be based on showing understanding rather than simply stating mark scheme points. That's why today I'll give you the exact study routine that will help you get the best value of your study time. I will be discussing this in more detail along with many other things you need to know about A-level biology in my masterclass on Zoom next Monday. You can join for free and I'll be there to answer your questions. Find the link in the description below. Now, it is difficult to explain something that you don't understand. The best way to do so is to compare A-level biology course with something that you're familiar with. That's IGCSE Biology. If you put both subjects side by side, you'll find that IGCSE is much longer with far more topics than AS Biology. AS Biology is 50% of the full A-level biology course. However, if you compare IGCSE and A-level biology side by side, you'll find them they're nearly the same size. You'll find that many of the topics are quite familiar. AS Biology mainly covers biological molecules like carbs, fats, and proteins, heart and circulation, genetics, cell, plants, natural selection, evolution. You've heard all of these topics before because you've studied them in IGCSE. However, you'll now be studying them in more depth. For instance, in IGCSE, you've learned about enzymes. In A-level biology, you'll be explaining and analyzing their activity. Now, the question I always receive, do you really need to have good knowledge in IGCSE to succeed at A-level? The short answer is yes. However, in most cases, teachers already assume that students may have forgotten a lot of their IGCSE content. When you start a new topic in A-level, the lesson usually begins with quick revision of IGCSE. Now, what is more important is how you should be studying for A-level. I'm not going to give you the cliche that you should not be memorizing and you only need to understand the content. The best students are the ones who can do both. Let's go back to enzyme to show you how. For instance, at A-level, they'll first ask you to define an enzyme, that's memorization. Then you'll be asked to apply your knowledge on a scenario about an enzyme you haven't heard before, and that requires deep understanding. Honestly, it's not really that hard. You simply need to have the right study habits. I've created a system to help you do that. It's called the Triple S system. It's for scan, store knowledge, and solve questions. Let's try this together. You'll first start by scanning the notes. Do not memorize anything yet. Just make sure that you understand everything. Next, complete a round of flashcards to memorize the key terms. This means you will not need to go back to the notes again. Solve level 1 questions. These questions starting with words like list, define, state, or labeling diagrams. Now, leave the topics until the next day and then complete another round of flashcards focusing on the ones you got wrong on the first day. Then you'll move to level 2 questions. These are the questions that start with explain, analyze, or evaluate. This method covers both memorization and understanding perfectly. It also helps you to develop the exam solving techniques. Plus, it kills boredom because you're changing the activity every now and then and you're not studying for long hours. You might find things difficult first. It's like you're working out. You can't simply lift heavy weights until you train your muscles. You're building skills and skill building requires time. So be patient and trust this process.